Hello everyone, welcome back to Chadwify. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Python interpreter, what is the role of Python interpreter and the working of the Python interpreter. Initially, what is Python interpreter? A Python interpreter is a program that reads, translate, execute Python code. That means whenever the user write a program in a Python language, initially it reads and translates into a machine readable language and then executes and print the output. This is the working of Python interpreter. It converts instructions into a machine readable form. Line by line execution allows the computer to understand and run them. It converts the machine instructions into machine readable code. It converts into zeros and one forms binary language, so it can easy to understand by the computer, and it executes line by line. Here the execution done by line, one line after other. Okay, next, what is the role of Python interpreter? Python interpreter initially checks the code syntaxes and logical errors. It initially checks like if we are writing any code in incorrect code, or if we are not following indentation. These type of errors are rectified by the interpreter. It gives a red sign, so we can understand that there will be a error or there is an error, so we can rectify it by using our skills. Next, it converts source code into intermediate form called bytecode. Converts the source code into bytecode. Bytecode means it just a normal symbols language. Converts. It was not understand by human. It only understand by the PVM, a Python virtual machine. It can only understand bytecode, and then it converts into a machine readable code like binary language. Okay, next it passes the bytecode to virtual machine for execution. This interpreter only responsible for converting bytecode into the machine readable code, which converts this code means Python virtual machine. Okay, next understand about what is working of a Python interpreter. Let us understand the working of Python interpreter. Initially, it gives a source code. Source code is entered into interpreter, and it gives the output. First, initially, source code means what is the code written by the programmer. The Python code which is written by programmer. It is stored with the extension of .py. Sample.py. In this way, we can save the files. Here is an example: a equals to 3, b equals to 7, print a plus b. This is the user written program. It was directly not understand by computer. Okay, and next, interpreter. Interpreter is the main brain of Python execution because it controls entire execution process. It mainly consists of three stages. Three important stages are there in this. These are compiler, bytecode, virtual machine. Let us understand how internally the compiler, bytecode and virtual machine works. First, compiler. It does not create an executable file like .exe file. It only checks for syntaxes and converts the Python code into bytecode. In this process, it happens automatically. Hence, Python is also called compiled plus interpreted language. Okay, next, bytecode. Bytecode is an intermediate representation. It is not a Python code or not a machine level code. It does not understand by humans. Humans cannot understand it. It was a platform independent because it can run in anywhere, any Windows, any operating system. We can run this in different operating systems, in different virtual machines. It can present. So once we can execute it, the bytecode is obtained. Then it can be run in anywhere. Okay, next it stores in .pyc. extension pyc file. It is stored with the extension of .pyc file. Okay, next understand about what is virtual machine. Okay, what is virtual machine? In the Python, virtual machine executes bytecode. It responsible for executing our bytecode. It reads the bytecode instructions, execute them line by line, and converts into machine level. Here the bytecode reads the instruction. It reads the bytecode instructions and then execute them line by line. For line by line execution, and then it converts into machine level in zeros and ones language. So then computer can easily understand the code. Okay, next up library module. In this, it consists of Python inbuilt and external library modules like math, OS, system. These type of libraries are predefined functions. These are all contained in library module. In this module, we can use when the virtual machine is executing. Whenever there is a need of any library, when we need to access any library, then it can easily access through library modules. It like uses predefined functions, classes. This happens during execution. Next, output or running code. This means it produces the output, final output of our code. Our code is A equals to B, B equals to 3. Print A plus B. Then the output will be 6. It was printed in the screen. Here it is the source code and this is the running code output. Okay. This is the working of Python interpreter. In one line definition, we can say that a Python interpreter is a program that converts Python source code into bytecode and execute it using Python virtual machine. This is the final definition. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.